Hey, what's up guys? And as a floating head, I sometimes wonder if life would be better with a little more green screen. And then I realized that green screen people look like this. What am I doing? Hey, what's up guys? Snows here, and I built my own green screen. Now you might ask, why did you build your own green screen? You already have 2 collapsible green screens. Actually, you might not know that because you don't live with me. But the reason why I made my own green screen is because the collapsible one are annoying as hell. And let me tell you why. So this is my collapsible green screen, and when you open it up, it has this shape. Now there are some design problems with this shape. First of all, when you prop it up, on a much larger scale, one thing that you'll notice is that it's always warping on one side. On a small scale like that, it's easy to keep it straight, but on a much bigger scale, when you fold it in, just like that, the metal has a tendency to retain some of its shape, which means that when you open it up, it tends to rotate like this. Now the problem with the retention is that when you place it behind you, most of the time, since it's going to be warped, one of the edges at the bottom is going to be further than the other, or at the top or on the other corner, which makes the green color on that edge a little bit darker unless you put like 1,000 lights around your green screen. And because it's a darker area, it makes it harder to key out without messing around with the image. The second thing that's a little annoying about this collapsible green screen is when you fold it, because when I fold this, it's very easy. I just kind of twist around in random patterns and it ends up shaping up and putting itself in a circle. But with a big one like this, you need to know what you're doing. You need
ask you how you are, you just have to...
You need to basically put it on one side and sort of let it hang, and then twist and then put it in, and then you're going to be able to close it. But because the metal on the outside edge is so big, it hurts your hands, and then you have to fumble around with it, and it's annoying as hell. My solution on my green screen is much easier. The third thing is its size. Yes, it's circular and it's flat, which is nice, but the fact that it's circular kind of makes it hard to place in like a closet or something, because you have to roll it in or you have to put it in flat. So it's either like this or like this. And I can't put it in my closet like this because it's too wide, and like this because my closet isn't deep enough. Man, I was scared that this was gonna just unravel on my face. And now the last thing that annoys the hell out of me is this. What do you want me to do with this? I have a light stand or like a prop stand, and I have to sort of like hook it like this. It's annoying as hell. I need like a support bar up top so I can put it in, but then I have to put it in and out every time. This doesn't give me anything. Now let me show you my solution, because I think it's more affordable, more portable, and creates better result when trying to key out things because it's straight. So there it is. As you can see, it's basically a long pole, and I can put that in my closet super easily. It will stay straight, and it costs a lot less than a collapsible green screen. The only thing is you have to make it yourself. Also included in the price of the green screen is a nice portable light stand. So let's break down the costs. You get the light stand for about $16. You get 2 pieces of wood for about $2.30 at your local hardware shop. You have to buy a stapler, although you'll be able to use it on many more projects if you want to. And you need the canvas, which is green muslin from Amazon. You can buy that for about $9 to $12. So the total cost is going to be around $30 for a full green screen setup. So let's go ahead and talk about how it's made, shall we? I bought a muslin that was about 6 feet by 9 feet. And yes, you heard right, I said muslin, not muslim. I wonder where I could buy a Muslim. So yeah, when I cut it to length, I went ahead and put a piece of wood, 2x1 wood, all the way inside of the rail hole of the canvas. Then all I had to do is just staple it on one side and make sure that it was straight inside of the rail hole. As you can see here, I did the same thing on the other side. So I basically just stapled along the edge and I put a piece of wood in. What I did though is put a hole dead center inside of the piece of wood so that I would be able to just hang it on the light stand like so. Where's my light stand? There it is. So I just have to take it, find my hole, and just hook it inside right here. This is way harder than it should be because I'm sitting down. So let me show you real quick what it looks like when it's propped up. And just like that, I have a straight green screen behind me, and it's so much easier to put up and take down. All I have to do when I want to take it down is unhook it, roll it up, and I can put it inside of my closet. This solution honestly is better for me than the collapsible one. I paid 60 bucks for the collapsible one. This cost me about $30. Now, I'm sorry I don't have a video of me building it. I actually was filming it, but I accidentally deleted all of the footage by formatting my card like an idiot. Maybe at some point I'll have to make another one and I'll show you how to. Now, one of the cool things about building your own green screen is that when you cut pieces off, you have pieces left over. So if you're a streamer, I'm sure you'll find some great things to do with the rest of the green screen. I mean, take a look. I could just isolate my head, wrap it around my arms, make me look like I just have hands. You can make a t-shirt out of the rest if you wanted to. But yeah, you have some cool leftovers you can do whatever you want with. And one thing I've noticed is that the green on this is actually better than the green on the collapsible green screen. See how much brighter this is? Well, I mean, it's not much brighter, but it's still brighter than this one. And that's it for the build. Please let me know in the comments what you think you'd rather use. I understand the collapsible has some advantages, but please tell me which advantages you think completely steps on the green screen that I built myself, except for the fact that you don't have to build that one. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Have yourselves an amazing day. Stay frosty, and if you want to see me sing some R&B, click here. Subscribe to the channel by clicking right here, and I'll give you another 15 seconds of me behind a green screen so you can green screen me into things. Hello, my name is Snus. From what? I gotta stop doing here. Have some fun with this. Just my head.